Dreaming of Bora Bora's crystal clear waters and sandy shores? Before you dive into paradise, let's navigate the packing pitfalls that could dampen your tropical getaway. First up, overpacking. It's easy to want a fashion show on the beach, but Bora Bora calls for simplicity. Stick to swimwear, cover-ups, and a few lightweight outfits. Leave the ball gowns and extra footwear at home. Your suitcase will thank you. Next, sun protection. The sun in Bora Bora doesn't play around. Pack a broad-spectrum sunscreen with a high SPF rating, experts say. Add a wide-brimmed hat and UV-blocking sunglasses to your list to shield yourself from those rays. Hydration is key in the tropics. A reusable water bottle is your best friend. And don't forget electrolyte tablets to replenish what you'll sweat out under that hot sun. Insect repellent is a must. With DEET or similar ingredients, you'll fend off unwanted critters. Consider long-sleeved attire for those mosquito-heavy evenings. Waterproof gear is non-negotiable. Protect your gadgets with waterproof cases, and consider water shoes for those rocky explorations. Packing smart is the secret to savoring Bora Bora's beauty. Embrace essentials like sunscreen and insect repellent, and leave the excess behind. With these tips, you're ready to make memories without the burden of common packing blunders. Now, let far and away adventures turn your Bora Bora dreams into reality. Book with the French Polynesia Islands at Far and Away Adventures.